so let's start coloring this little guy. Okay, so I will take my small little round brush. I lost my paper towel. Let me get a paper towel. Okay, take your little light green for your holly. And since this is a pen and ink, everything is going to be in a little wash. So I'm just putting my paint on very light. I don't want to get rid of all my pen work, but I want it to be underneath this somewhere. And we're gonna brush a little bit of that color into a little leaves here. This is just a little line drawing that you can play with, and put some a little bit on the bottom. But this is just to show you that just a little bit of line drawings, you can get a lot out of it. So I'll take my red. I have my bright red from prior projects. And I will cover some of these little areas here. Nice and solid. Don't do that double line, just do it inside the line. Skip that, do this one. There should be one in here somewhere, so I'm just gonna pretend that it's in here. And there's one here. Come back, do this little guy here. This is really cute. You can use this as an ornament, or you can give it to somebody as a gift with a little something, a little saying in the back. You can do this on a 4x4 canvas, 3x5, whatever, 5x7. Do this little guy here. I am loving this, and this was just an afterthought. So, you know, listen to your little afterthoughts. Sometimes they're really, really cool projects, and there should be a little one in here, and we'll add one there even though it wasn't there. Okay, so these guys they look like they should be coming down this way, right? Like they're missing here. So I will come down here and add some of those we're gonna keep this simple. Put this a little bit of green in here. And I'm going to take a little bit of this dark green here. And I'm gonna really water it down to like a little, oh, that's not the green. Sorry, that's the brown. We don't want brown. We want the green right here. And that's why I put it to the side to make sure I got the right color. Because as you can see, and I am going to just watch this. I'm just gonna put some color in it, wipe my brush, clean it on my paper towel, and with just whatever water I have left, that's what I'm going to shade these little guys. Pick up the little green from the side here because you don't need a lot, and just fill it in. Very, very cool. I'll pick up a little bit of my red that I started out with and a little bit of my blue, because that will turn it a dark red. And I am going to just do the little sides here of my candy canes. And I'm going to do this pretty fast because I don't want it to dry. Rinse it completely and then come back with your red. You know how you always come back to the original color, and then just move it around. We have a little bow. So what color do you want to make the bow? Let's make the bow blue. So I will take my blue bow and just go over your blue. Come back. Here's your little scribble lines. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brush because I can't help myself, and I am going to shade. I will take the blue with just the little tip of my brush. See that? There's hardly any paint in there. And I will come right underneath here and put some color to shade that. Yes, it needed that. Back in here, do the same thing. And there you have it. Need some little holly leaves, holly berries. Pick up the back of your brush. Whoops, not too much. Come here and there. This is a really delicate one. So put there. And this is a quickie project that you can do. So I am not going to release this to the general public until December. So you guys have the whole month of November to play around with this one. So if anybody's tuning in and it's now December, yes, the people that got the ornaments got to play with this first before you got to play with it. So there you have it, a quick little project. It takes no time at all to do, and you have a nice Christmas gift for somebody. So Merry Christmas, everybody, and enjoy your holidays. Don't forget to sign up for my YouTube channel, chriscruzdesigns.com, or to my newsletter on my website, chriscruzdesigns.com. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.